As we enter, you can see you will get the spacious living and dining area. Over here, we have a kitchen. As we enter, this is a larger master bedroom.
Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Arihant Alishan by Arihant Superstructure Limited located in Kharghar. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project and right at the exit of this lane is the main road. And this is the actual land pass and the actual towers whose constructions are in full swing. Now I will take you and show you the actual lobby of this project.
As you can see, this is the actual lobby of Arihant Alishan. This is the entrance, and on both the sides you have fountain spaces that will give you a beautiful view and a luxurious feel. As we enter, you can see the lobby is very spacious and full of luxury, as it is a double-heighted lobby that gives you a grand view. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey.
Talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 5.5 acres having 4 towers with G plus 53 stories having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Sector 37 Kharghar, from where Amadut metro station is only 500 meters, Kharghar railway station is only 15 minutes drive, Taloja highway is only 1 minute walk and Navi Mumbai International Airport is only 20 minutes drive. Also, you have school, colleges and hospitals within 1.5 kilometers from the project. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button.
Now, moving towards the lift lobby, this was the actual lobby where the seating arrangement will be, and this is the lift lobby of this project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 40 plus amenities with clubhouse, mini theatres, swimming pool, jacuzzi, multi-purpose court, banquet hall, kids play area and many more amenities in the project. So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of Arihant Alishan. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1139 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. First, at the entrance you will get a video door phone telecom. And as we enter, you can see you will get the spacious living and dining area. You will get vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can place your sofas, center tables and all that you need in the living, as the living is very spacious. You will get full French windows with a balcony in the living. Moving forward, this will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table to enjoy meals with your family. You will have plenty of walkable space even after placing things in your living and dining. Over here, we have a kitchen where you will get a L-shaped platform. You will also get the gas, chimney and the water purifier provided by the builder. As you can see, the kitchen is also very spacious. You can customize your own units. And over here, we have a dryer balcony which is very spacious, as you can see. You will get an L-shaped dryer balcony. And over here in this corner, you can place your refrigerator. Now, moving forward, this will be your alley area towards your bedrooms, and over here we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Opposite to the common washroom, we have a common bedroom that you can utilize as your kids' room, your study or your guest room. You can place your beds, side tables and customize your wardrobe. Also, you will get full French windows with a balcony in this bedroom. Moving forward to the other master bedrooms. As we move forward, over here you have a utility space provided that you can customize as per your choice. Over here we have a first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your beds, side tables, customize your study corner as well and your wardrobes over here. Over here we have the attached washroom that is also very spacious and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours. We give you actual location tours. We tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including all EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the second master bedroom and the last bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, this is your larger master bedroom where you can place your king size bed, customize your wardrobe, place your side tables and make your makeup corner. Also, you will get full French windows with a balcony in this bedroom. Over here, we have the attached washroom which is very spacious and it will also come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. As you can see, the washroom is spacious enough if you want to place a bathtub. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Arihant Alishan. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.